Hi, and thanks for logging on to the Daily Dvar. And here's a brand new halacha for you, and it's for Sunday, the 11th day of January. Here we go. Today's halacha is this. If it ever happens that two people are eating together in a house with bread and everything, so they washed and there's hamotzi and now there's a need to bench at the end. You learned yesterday with me that the proper thing to do is everybody should bench by themselves if possible. The next best thing to do is to have one person say the words of benching and the other person who can't bench, if he can't, to at least repeat word by word by word after the other person. Okay, but today's halacha is, let's say for some reason that's impossible. And even that can't be done. Then, b'di'evad, that means after the fact. It's not what we would rather do, but after the fact, if we're desperate, what you're going to be allowed to do is to say, I'll bench, you listen, you'll say amen, and b'di'evad, after the fact, we don't want to do it this way, but that's the way you'll fulfill your benching. Other halacha that goes with this is, if you do have two people in a house that ate bread, forget about whether one of them can't bench, that's not our point now, and there is somebody else that wants to eat bread, it is a mitzvah for you to try to get that other man to eat with you, if it's three men, so that you will be able to have a mezuman and bench all together and say Rav Sayin of Orech in that fashion. You can't just say, well, he didn't eat with us, so who cares? You should try to make the mezuman happen, if possible, by telling him, come on over, eat with us. And that's the preferable way to go. Thanks for logging on. Log on again tomorrow for more. Bye-bye.